Hello guys, we're doing something very exciting today. It is always very nice harvesting your first potatoes. You never quite know what you find under. I'm just gonna remove this mulch and we're gonna get to it. I have two professionals helping me today. My niece and my nephew, they're gonna dig this out. They've never done this before. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, we're gonna do this. I don't know how many potatoes we're gonna get, but we'll find out together. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, what we do, we're gonna take the potatoes, put it up here, and I'm gonna get the snip. Then we're gonna cut the foliage off, turn it over. We're gonna go in there and get all the potatoes. We'll probably have it for dinner today. Wouldn't you like that?
Yeah.
So what we do first, we're gonna chop these off, and I'm gonna turn it over. You guys are gonna get your hands in. You're gonna get your hands dirty and bring out all the potatoes in it. I hope we get a lot, but we would have to find out together. Put these on the floor over here, and I'll turn it up for you guys so it's a bit heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna get a container. Oh, we could use this.
Oh,
So-
there's a bug there.
You get this, all right. Bugs wouldn't hurt. It's all right. So you guys are gonna get in, get your hands dirty, so we get all the potatoes out for dinner. How good does that sound?
Good.
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, let's get into it. Get your hands dirty, get in, and get all the potatoes. Go on. Both of you get in there. Where I see
That one.
potatoes, put in the basket. Those are big ones.
Just keep it.
You guys have to get your hands in everywhere. Get all the potatoes. Those are some beautiful big potatoes.
Found
You
another one.
need to put them in the basket, okay?
Near the basket. The basket, Mike.
You're sitting on potatoes.
Was that your Scottish accent?
Kind of Australian, but it's my best. Found another.
Can you stop?
It's not very good, is it?
Wait,
No,
are
those
those
are just roots. You need to get your hands in the dirt and get the
Found
potatoes.
one. Oh, found
Yeah.
another one. It's very small. Hey.
Stop.
You. Oh.
There's enough potatoes in there to go around. Don't worry.
I know.
Drop it gently in the basket, okay?
You keep on passing
Wow.
this one.
There are lots of potatoes. You guys know how many potatoes I planted to get this much potatoes? Guess.
25.
No. 3.
Oh, what?
From 3
Stop.
seed potatoes, that's where we're getting all these potatoes from. It seems like there's a lot more. Wow.
Why is there so much just from 3 plants?
Well, it's the technique you use to grow it. So when you're growing it and it starts growing, you cover it up again, and the potatoes will start growing again, giving you more. So the more you cover it, the better chances you have of having more potatoes. There are lots of potatoes in there. You guys need to get in there. And this is just one bag.
Chill out before
And the other bags have more soil and compost. I think the rest of the bags will have much more than this. But you guys need to get your hands in there. Get in there, like
You know, like the worm.
all in there.
Oh, there's so many ones.
Bro. I need to
Yeah, you
cover
need to
this
break
guy up.
everything up.
let me
Make
cover
sure
you,
there's no potatoes hiding in there.
Let me cover you, dog.
Antonio,
Both of you need to
Your
get in
hands are
there.
really next to the
Yeah, you need to put your hands in. Get all the potatoes out. We don't waste anything.
Gimme.
You think that's all the potatoes?
no.
That's literally just rock.
Well, it's not rock. It's just a compost clump or something.
I like
You
that.
need to get your hands in there.
Antonio, get your.
Down
There's literally
in.
none left.
How do you know?
Because we literally just got like 15 of them or something.
There's more than 15, but
Gosh.
don't worry. Nothing in there will bite you, okay? It's
Okay.
good.
What is this?
Oh, that's the seed potatoes I planted. It's rotted. Yeah, we don't want that. We'll leave it. We'll compost that.
Yeah,
Out,
so there's no
out
more
of 3 of those
literally.
rotten potatoes, seed potatoes, that's where we got all these beautiful potatoes from.
Yeah, and I buried a worm.
You think we have all of it?
Uh,
All right.
Oh.
Yeah,
Did you find one?
that's a tiny one.
It's a tiny one. Oh, I found another tiny one.
That's the tiniest potatoes ever. Anyhow, I think we have all of it, or most of it. After all that hard work, funny enough, my niece and my nephew wants to be paid in peas. How exciting is that? Who's gonna be first?
Me.
So you're gonna be first, pick a pea. Yeah. Pull, 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 pull. Oh. You're gonna open it. How does that taste?
Sweet.
Good. Your turn. Go and pick your pea. Yeah, hold it at the top and pull down. Great. Now open it. The peas will still get bigger. They're not the biggest yet. They're still young. What do you think? That's a good pay, isn't it?
Yeah.
For all that hard work. Well, thank you guys for helping out today. Bye-bye again, guys. Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye.